rednecks, Mickeys from the north, 80 for the trailers, rocking back and forth, working overtime to try and make a buck. I never leave the office, it's the cabin of my truck, and I go rolling down the highway, eating up Vegemite. As I go rolling down the highway, eating up Vegemite. Blew a tire at the eyes, I hit the scalies at the curry dump, speeding out of Winton, I'm always in a hurry. Flagged down out of town and said I'm sorry mate, trying to make gun to Indiana, I'm running rather late, and I go rolling down the highway, eating up Vegemite. And I go rolling down the highway, eating up Vegemite. Really, it ain't easy, mate, doing 20 hours straight. I don't mind the work, just the hours ain't so great. So don't tell me about a 40-hour week. I've done that for Wednesday morning on 11 hours sleep. Sleeping with my cattle dog pup. There's no speed limits on this old crate. I just hope the coppers are sleeping in late, and I go rolling down the highway, eating up Vegemite.